Hello there and welcome to Fairyland Cottage. Today I'm going to make some cloth wipes. Now these are the alternative to paper towels or kitchen towels. You know, the ones that you just use once and then they're gone. I'm going to show you how to make them, and I'm going to use material that I found when I was decluttering my linen closet. I'm going to use a duvet cover that was just made of cotton, so it will work really well. But whatever material you have in the house, just go for it. So without further ado, subscribe if you haven't, and let's get into the video. First thing is you need a sewing machine. But if you don't have a sewing machine, just use a pinking shears, which will cut around the square and it won't fray. I like to have two sides to it. It just makes it a little bit more absorbent and durable. You need some material. I used a duvet cover. If you're using a duvet cover, make sure that it is inside out. Mark out about 21 centimeters by 21 centimeters squares. Mark them out and then cut them all out. The double duvet cover I used made 80 squares, but you really don't need that much at all. So if you use a single duvet, that'll be absolutely fine. Make yourself about 30 squares, I think should do. Start by sewing the 4 edges, and when you get to the 4th edge, just leave an inch or 2 at the end. I would recommend that you reinforce the beginning and you reinforce the end, just to make it extra secure. Next, make the thing the right way round. So just stick your finger in and try and squiggle it until it is out. Then get that little corner that is open, pop it in with your finger and then sew it along the top, giving it a few extra stitches at the beginning and at the end. There you have one square. Off you go on the next so many squares, as many as you like. Got all your lovely squares ready. I'm just going to show you a trick of how to fold them up so that when you pull them out of your tissue box or whatever you use, one will come after the other. Place one square down on the table, get another square and place it halfway up. Fold the underneath one over, another square on top, fold the bottom one up, another square on top, fold the other one, and you'll get the hang of it. Keep going all the way until you finish up. Put them inside your tissue box, and when you pull one cloth wipe out, the next one will be ready for the next little spillage. There you have it, some cloth wipes that are reusable and sustainable, and you've saved yourself on waste and you've saved yourself on some money. So that is it for this week. Thank you very much for watching, and remember, thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and thank you for all the thumbs up you always give. It's really appreciated. Leave me a comment down below of any videos you'd like to see on simple living or reducing your waste. Share it with anyone you know, and head over to Instagram and say hi to me there. And until next time, have a lovely week and I'll see you then. Bye.